and subscribe. I appreciate it. Hey, that was awesome, man. Yo, what's up, Superfit fam? This is SUPERCHAD bringing you guys another amazing video. All right, today you see I got my son next to me. We are gonna be learning how to do some pull-ups. So my son recently just unlocked being able to do 5 pull-ups, and I did get a comment the other day. I forgot who it was, I'll mention it down below. They asked me, how do you begin to start doing pull-ups? And I thought it'd be really amazing if I show you guys how I taught my son how to do pull-ups, because if I can teach a 5-year-old how to do pull-ups, anybody can learn how to do a pull-up. All right, CJ, you ready to show him how to do a pull-up? You ready to show him? Show him some muscles. Let me see your muscles. How strong are you? Okay, you got some big muscles there. All right, you ready to show him how to do some pull-ups?
Yeah.
All right, high five. Let's go. All right.
Let's go, guys.
All right, guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to pull up in 5 steps. I'm gonna go from the easiest exercise to the hardest exercise. That way you guys can progress over time. The only thing that you're gonna need for these exercises is, of course, a pull-up bar and either a chair or a platform to help us to do the pull-up. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. The first step in learning how to pull up will be mastering the assisted chin hold. To do this exercise, come up to your bar, grab it with an overhand or pronated grip, then put your feet on a chair or platform and use that chair or platform as little as possible to hold your chin above the bar for 15 to 20 seconds. You'll do 4 sets of this, resting 20 to 30 seconds in between each set. This will help us to build strength at the hardest portion of the pull-up, the top portion. All right, guys, let's get to the next exercise. The next progression is going to be the chin hold. It's done exactly as the assisted chin hold, except there's no chair or platform to help us hold our chin to the bar. You're going to aim for 4 sets, aiming for a 10 to 15 second hold on each set, resting 20 to 30 seconds in between each of those sets. This will help us to master on our own that top portion part of the pull-up. All right, guys, let's get to the next progression. The next progression we're going to be focusing on is an assisted pull-up into a chin hold. You're going to use your box or chair to try to pull your chin up to the bar 8 to 10 times, of course, using that chair or box as little as possible, then proceeding to do a chin hold until you fail. This will greatly help us in learning how to move through the motion for the pull-up, and then, of course, again, reinforcing the top portion of the pull-up. The next progression we're going to focus on to master the pull-up is going to be a controlled jumping pull-up into a chin hold. You will need a bar that is higher than you in order to complete this exercise. To perform this exercise, you're going to come up to your pull-up bar, then you're going to use your feet to help you jump into this pull-up. But I want you to use your feet as little as possible getting into that chin hold. You're going to perform 4 sets of 3 to 5 reps, only holding your chin hold for 3 to 5 seconds. We're trying to really reinforce the bottom portion of the pull-up and using our own muscles to pull through the motion. The last and final progression to learn how to pull up will be the actual pull-up. I highly suggest that when you're doing this from now on, as long as you're under 5 reps of total pull-ups that you can do, that every time you finish your pull-up, you always finish with a chin hold, holding as long as you can. This will greatly increase our time under tension and greatly increase our amount of strength and the amount of pull-ups we can do in time. All right, Superfit fam, I hope some of those exercises really helped you guys out on your calisthenics journey and helped you guys actually get that first pull-up. CJ was super ecstatic to teach. He has so much darn energy. As always, guys, like and subscribe to my page because it really does help me out and puts the video in front of more people that can actually use the video. If you guys have any other questions or comments, please leave them down below, okay, guys? Because I do answer those questions. I do look through them, and I do try to answer as many of them as I can. Also, take a look at some of my other playlists if you guys are interested in learning any other calisthenic skills. And is there anything you want to tell them, CJ?
Guys, really like this guy.
Huh?
Like, subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Yes, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Hey, that was awesome, man. And you'll see them next time?
Yeah. For more fun facts.
For more fun facts, we'll see you guys next time.